Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 11th, 2022. Pfizer, is it primed for a crash? Well, guess what? I'm going to talk about that today on this video. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. As you guys can tell, this is what I do. I do this day in and day out. I come through, show all of our subscribers, all of our community members, where I am seeing price go before the price gets there. You guys can see I got a price target right now on the chart for Pfizer, and you guys can see what my expectations are. We're playing in weakness even right now. Has anything changed? Is the market still primed for lower prices? Because if so, we don't need to change our price prediction. But if not, we need to cut the position now and then expect the price to elevate and go higher in Pfizer. Before I break all of that down, welcome. You guys appreciate this? Join the community, join the team. You guys can see that we're running deep in our subscribership. Yeah, everyone else is seeing the value of just paying attention to the price. That's the only thing I pay attention to. In order to predict and forecast price movement, that's all you have to do. Everyone else is already telling you where they think the market in Pfizer is going to go. We just need to simply sit back and listen, pay attention, read a chart, because it'll let you know. So hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms to ensure you see all my other content that I am creating regarding the financial markets. Now, the 27th of January was the last time I did a video in Pfizer. Okay, at that time, which the video is still available for you all to see and listen. It's in the playlist right here. I was telling you all then that Pfizer was getting weak and we might expect us to see some movement to the downside. Pretty good call so far, right? Now, I zoomed out because I want to show you this. You guys can tell that back here in August of last year, right? The market was utilizing this price level, $50 to $52. It was utilizing this price level as restriction. Well, now the market is trying to utilize these price levels as support. Look at this. Okay, $50. This is where the buyers are trying to keep price from falling. Can it be maintained? Well, we might get an idea as we check a different time frame. Let's look at this on a weekly first. Okay, now what do you think looking at Pfizer on a weekly perspective? Do you still see market indication of strength here? Do you still see weakness? Because what I'm getting is that the market is still weak. Look at that. This weekly price bar right here, the week of January 24th, we should have seen a continuation of movement higher in price. But these following 2 weeks, the market in Pfizer is not doing that. The market is still hitting with some weakness, with some selling. This confirms that the overall weakness is still here in Pfizer, that the market is still primed for, I'm not going to say a crash, but lower prices. And it looks as if, given this current weekly price bar, that Pfizer may not even hold $50, right? Now, seeing that we're in profit mode right now off this prediction, it wouldn't hurt to take some bag, take some profitability of 4.47%. Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. Now, let's see what we got on the 2 weeks time frame. This is the market in Pfizer on the 2 weeks. We got 10 hours and 3 minutes left. It's still weak. So from my perspective, I need to prepare for the market not to hold $50. My next area is here, $48.50, right? That's the next area, which is around 8.38% profitability from when we originally created this forecast. Yes, right there. So I'm eyeing for the price in Pfizer to continue to go down. Let's look at Pfizer on the 3 weeks. Yeah, even here on the 3 weeks time frame, this market is still weak. I don't see any indication that the buyers are now entering the market. I don't see that. Now, how to tell if the buyers were approaching the market is for us to see the price in Pfizer close above this line right here, $52. So in the next 10 hours and 2 minutes, if the price in Pfizer does not close above $52, we know that the market is still weak and we can still expect the price to continue to drop, right? So I think we're still in position. I don't think that the market in Pfizer is a buy right now. I still think that the market is primed for lower prices. Now, check this out. I'm going to tell you that you're going to hear a whole lot of people who cover Pfizer, whether they're Wall Street analysts, whether there's some YouTuber on YouTube telling you all to buy these dips. I'm here to tell you that the market is selling. So if you're a buyer, understand that there is a massive market of traders, institutions that has a whole bag of Pfizer that they are willing to sell to you. And you're going to be the one left holding the bag. They're trying to get off their positions while you guys are trying to enlarge them because you're listening to some other YouTubers out on the streets telling you all to come in and continue to buy these dips. And Pfizer and the market continues to show us otherwise, right? We have to pay attention to what we're seeing. The market is clearly telling us that we're weak right now. So why would we want to come in and buy a market that is telling us that it's weak? Okay. So I'm still going to continue to go on with my price prediction. I'm not going to change it. Instead of us expecting the price to hold $50 like I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm looking for it to come down to $48.50. Right? It might be around $49 to $48.50. But from a long-term perspective, I have us hitting the market in Pfizer around 46. See that? We're already primed for the market to continue to go a little bit lower. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this out a little bit further because it looks as if the market's going to continue to do just that, go down. Now, like I said, it doesn't hurt to grab a little bit of this profitability right now to the market in Pfizer. Yeah, go ahead and grab that 4.5%. That's cool. There's no issues. But as of right now, we're going to continue to maintain our price prediction that we did in Pfizer on the 27th of January. The market is still showing us that we got some weakness to go through. Okay. Now, it's your turn. Hit me up real quick, right? You don't have to believe what I'm saying, what I'm showing you. You guys may have some magical technical indicator that give you, 100% accuracy as to where price is going to go. Share with the community. Yeah. Drop your price target real quick in the comment section of this video and tell everyone, be public about your price prediction, your price target to see which one is right. Let me know. All right. Welcome to the team, to the new subscribers here. Hopefully you guys can continue to get a whole lot of information, basically the simple way. I'm not here to make this confusing. Everyone else out here on these YouTube streets is trying to make it confusing to you, to make you think that they're some type of expert or that they understand how the market works. You only need price bars and volume. I've been showing you all this for a while because it's real. You guys can do it too. So join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.